Today's cook is the Lito's Cocina taco seasoning mix mild. That's right, you're going to want to stay with this. Yes, you are. I have already had the Lito's Cocina taco seasoning mix original. And you know what? My head beat it up just a little bit, but I could handle that. Even Tom could handle that one. All right, this one here is the Lito's Cocina enchilada mix original. Okay, might hit my head again. We're gonna see. The enchilada one's coming up soon. Today, it's all about Lito's Cocina. Lito's is short for grandfather, and Cocina is kitchen. Grandfather's kitchen. Papa's kitchen. Papa's kitchen. That's right. Big W made me that. His link is down below. Alright, so Lito's Cocina. That would be Gene in San Antonio. I'm going to make this one up, and let's see what it turns out to be. I should be making some homemade tortillas to go with it. Taco shells. Yeah. Alright, let's get this cook on. And I'm going to leave a link to Lito's Cocina down below for you to go get your own. Because think about it. You know, you take those little packets that people usually get for like 1 pound of ground meat, and think how many you can do with this. This will last you a while and save you money. Everybody likes to save time and money now, don't they? Yeah, especially this year. Alright, we're gonna get turned around here and let's get the meat on. It's Papa Texas, Papa's kitchen. Be back just a sec. Alright, you're gonna heat your skillet up and you're gonna add 1 pound of hamburger meat, or whatever you want. You get it on low heat. I just took longer to come out here and do that when it was on. Be right back. And the link will be down below. You can go and buy you some of this yourself. Actually, I should have added my ingredients before now, because we're going to simmer, so that was my bad. 1/4 cup of water. Going with that Lito's. Let's see if we can get it here. Hang on, I want to get this right. 1. 2. 3. Ouch! Darn bell. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get that mixed in there. I did not drain the grease. It was not that much. I like a little grease, don't you? Alright, so I'm just gonna I'll get this all mixed in there and let it simmer for 2 minutes. Check that out. Can you hear the sizzle? Yeah. That goodness is just getting all up in there. Smells really good. That's a plus. Alright, I'm going to get this meat off of here and I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you how to make a taco shell from scratch. We'll do a taste test. Got it? Beautiful. Papa wanted a couple tortilla chips. So we do it like this. We'll be back and show you what we made. Look at that goodness. Yeah, here at Papa's Kitchen, Papa, Texas, we fixing to dig into this with the Litos. Cocina. We're trying the mild. The original gave me a little sweat head, but that was fine. I can handle it. All right, let's do a taste test. Check that out. All right, my little homemade chip. All right, here comes the taste test. Got good flavor to it. Does not taste like that little packet you buy at the store real cheap. Yes, Papa recommends this. So far, when I recommend something, I have not gone wrong. Make the rest of these. I'll make a few more. That is good. Now, I like that original. I'm sorry, the mild. I'll tell you what. I did not get the hot. And the original, like I said, it's bearable. I'm not a hothead, whatever you call them. Pepperhead. But it was good. But I like this one right here. This is my choice. Hopefully next week we can make this enchilada one. We can see what the enchilada is like. Maddie's gonna like this. Gene, good job. All right, y'all. His link's down below. You're welcome to go check out his stuff. There's got a recipe on there. I pretty much followed his recipe. I know you can add a whole bunch more things. I normally don't. I like the flavor, the meat, and some cheese. That's just Papa's way. Do it however you want. I'd like to hear back from you. I'm going to be making a playlist with Lito's Cocina. And if you make one, hashtag me, hashtag them, and we'll get you added to that playlist for others to see it. Alright, I appreciate it. Y'all have a blessed rest of the week. It's Papa. Papa's Kitchen. Papa, Texas. See y'all. Hit that dinner bell. Yeah. All this pound of meat's gonna be on tonight. I do believe. See y'all.